Hey guys, what's going on? Commando here. I'm back with XCOM2 War of the Chosen. I know I've been playing this a lot lately, but something kind of happened behind the scenes. I sent headshots and fives on a covert action to hunt the Chosen, and we're not far from actually tracking that thing down, but well, Headshot was captured. But I think I found a mission that might allow me to, free him. So, what's this?
Avenger plotting new course.
Also, we really need to start doing some stuff soon, otherwise.
The chosen stronghold isn't going anywhere. But
Yeah,
yet we don't have a way of getting inside. We should keep working with the resistance.
probably make contact with. How many intel do I have?
Where to look.
Got plenty of intel.
Commander, resistance forces in this region are in hiding as a result of recent setbacks.
Oh,
If you wish to contact them
it's not
again,
good.
you will have to wait until they are able to regroup.
We completed our research
that's
in
good.
remarkable time,
Commander, there were a few wounded during
Okay, our weapon upgrade as well.
After a few days rest,
Amazing.
ready to get back out there.
We can't quite. Wait, could we maybe? No, we can't do it. I can't. Yeah, I think we probably should try and stop the thing. Yeah, we'll do that, and I'll send jumper with him.
We'll get the job done. Don't worry, Commander.
I know you will. Oh, he just recovered from his wounds. Supply drop, gorgeous. Can I make contact with this place? Yeah, I can. Because if I do that soon, it will probably allow me to attack a new facility, and I need to attack one fast. Please, chosen boy, please just leave me alone. What is this mission? I guess we probably should do it. I mean, oh, difficult.
For Brazil.
I guess we need to do whatever at this point. Seems like we've got some pretty good guys. This mission, we might be able to pull it off. Chesty's still wounded. Yeah, I'm bringing in the boys. 3. And Samurai, not Skin Hunter. Yeah, that's gonna be his weapon. Is a magnetic rifle. Wait, no, I'm not giving you that thing. Yeah, wait, it's mag pistol. Oh yeah, and you need the magnetic pistol, because yeah, I want to start giving you guys some good things. Magnetic rifle for you. And you get an art play for you. Your hunter's gonna be a beast now. Did they even make utility items available? Right, yeah. Pedro, you bring a med kit because we're probably gonna need one. And yeah, you've got a med kit as well because we're probably gonna need more than one. Difficult, but we've got the boys here. I think we'll be able to pull this off. Could be a finale, I don't know, because if I lose these guys, I'm probably gonna lose the entire thing because, yeah. I'm gonna lose all my best soldiers. I doubt I will though. We might be able to pull this off. Who thought rookie difficulty would be so hard? Looks like we might not get to rescue Headshot.
During a recent scouting operation, our friends in the Resistance picked up readings
Oh,
from a massive
God.
sonic transmitter Advent just deployed in this area. As we understand it, destroying that transmitter while it's still connected to their network would cause catastrophic outages across the region. So that's
Across the region?
exactly what we're
I mean,
going
it
to
could
do.
possibly
Advent
do
has
something with the
constructed a
Avatar
sonic
project, and
transmitter
my
in this
god, that's a
area,
long way away.
directly into their primary network.
Kinda terrified.
Intel suggests destroying it while it's still connected will severely damage their linked systems. Plant the explosives before they have a chance to pull the plug. It looks like Advent is throwing every grunt they've got at us, Commander. They're flooding the area with troopers. We need to be ready for a fight.
Our readings indicate that relay is feeding energy directly into their network.
Is there anyone who can shoot that thing?
Destroy it. It may disrupt their efforts to
Okay, yeah,
isolate
good.
the
Yeah,
site.
Tiger, I understand. Jeez, can Tiger just give me a break, like, once? I know what my objective is. I'm not stupid.
Moving into position. Moving to your mark.
Oh no.
The target is marked.
Wait, if I could put maybe a cheeky little grenade there, and it might be able to hit all. I mean, it might be able to hit those two. At the same time, that thing. Cree, what are your grenading skills? Like, you can actually grenade quite far, you know.
Grenade thrown.
Launch it. Oh god, this is gonna kill me. Yep, that thing's dead, and we've got an extra 2 turns probably. Can use a lot longer to kill these guys and stuff.
The
Oh,
network
only
separation
one?
has been temporarily delayed.
Oh god. What have I done? Sev seems to have a little problem up there. Okay, yep, he didn't last long. Well, hopefully our magnetic rifles will help us in this part. Wow, yeah, we've got Advent's weapons. We're using it against them. Yeah, I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk missing it and one of our troopers dies. Hunter just, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Hunter. I needed that.
I can get there. Affirmative. Moving on.
Let's just see how close the enemy is.
Inside.
Oh god, here they come. I'm gonna need some boys up here.
Moving into position. Moving on, sir.
Yeah, don't slash them, don't slash them. That would just end really badly.
Move into position.
Because I do not want people dying. You go here. The sniper lady.
I can cover it. I know where you are.
Shame we couldn't put them in Overwatch. Oh no, not Sev. God, no. Can you resist it? No. Sorry, my man, I tried. Also, the Advent troopers do have a bit more health. Pedro dodged this. Thank god he dodged that. Nice.
Taking fire.
We're gonna clap back next turn unless this hit. No, Pedro dodge. Oh, nice job, man. Always count on Pedro. I'm gonna say that and he misses, aren't I? No, he didn't miss that time.
Good.
Good job, my man. Lieutenant, yep, well deserved. Creed's probably gonna miss this, yeah. It kind of did delete his cover though, so
What a waste.
we might be able to get a good hit on him. Hunter, try and hit him. Alright, good job,
More one
Hunter.
for our side.
Outrider lady, you're on Overwatch. Oh, Sev's back, nice. Oh,
Don't let up, squad.
that's not good. What is a sniper lady? Shoot him! Oh, that revealed a couple of enemies.
Move into position.
Yeah, just lightning hands some of those things. That could be a good thumbnail. Where are you, sniper lady? Did we already move you up? No, you're right. You're here. We're fine. We're all fine here. Is there anything else we can hit? No, just this guy. No, going to Overwatch for now. We're not even concealed. Everyone knows we're here.
Ready.
Yeah, I think they know we're here. Yeah, just keep shooting at those things. We want as much time as possible. Also, these rifles are kind of a little more like Star Wars-y. So, I like it. We'll put them in Overwatch. Seriously, when these guys try and make a move, they're gonna get clapped.
On it, squad leader.
Don't fear, citizens, your savior is here. Oh, if I get close, I could drop the majority of them with a grenade. Well, I wouldn't be able to kill them, but of course, but I'd be able to do some serious damage to them. Take cover behind that pot, Sev.
Located Mars.
We see it.
Confirmed visual on the transmitter. Plant the X4 charges before they...
Yeah, try fire at some of those things, Sev, because we need more time if we're to kill all these dudes.
Forward stance initiated. I got your back.
Wait, what's the slash thing on? Yeah, I suppose I could go slash that. Oh no, they tell me they're not going to fire at Hunter now. Do half the guys even know we're here? He's just walking around like all chilled and everything. They do know we're here, right? Well, if they don't know we're here already, they're going to know it now. Oops, oh god, just come on. Ugh. It's a waste of Sev's talents, but just fire on it. I really do like these magnetic pistols. They're just good. There's something about them that I like so much.
Stepping off. Just stay clear of my fire.
Next time they move, they're gonna get clapped. Is everything okay, guys? Are they gonna make a good old move? No? Alright then. Turns out they didn't make a move. Now, does anyone have any grenades on them? Not close enough just yet. Going to Overwatch in case they move. Pedro, I want you to push up a little. Oh god, he's out of action. That is not good. Going to Overwatch in case they try and make a move.
Steady.
Come on, just make a move. Where are they? I know they're all here.
Moving on.
I have a plan. Kree's got the high ground now.
Let's do it.
You're gonna move up there, then you're gonna Overwatch if that's possible. Oh god. It's not letting him Overwatch, that's bad.
Oro covering vector. Set up ambush.
You know we're here. Why are you just moving around? Oh, finally. Finally, these guys are gonna get into attack mode. Time to destroy. You ready, Sev? Fire away, my guy. Oh, you missed, but you still got damage. I'm pretty sure Yari upgraded your sniper rifle to do damage and miss shots. Pedro, try to kill him. I love these new guns.
Target
I'm so like, why didn't I get this way earlier?
Need a reload here.
Wait, are you telling me I didn't equip the grenadier with grenades? I'm an idiot. Good job, Hunter. That's good. We actually do have a huge chance now winning these battles with the new magnetic rifles. What happened to my Overwatch? Oh, they're now in Overwatch. Holy warrior! Oh god, I hate that move. I'm sorry, is my guy's marked or something? Should I be scared?
Ready, sir.
Reload, Pedro. Good.
Watch the master at work.
No. I don't want to fire on that thing. I just put you in Overwatch, Cree. I mean, try and attack him. It's not a huge percentage, but
What a waste.
yeah, it's just like the sounds that these new rifles make. I just like it, and also it seems to like a lot more accurate. Finally, Outrider can get a shot. That's good damage. Oh, did it destroy their shield? Well, we all knew we were revealed already, but oh, can she fire again? Oh, nice. Outrider. Really, girl?
I need more ammunition.
On my way.
Try lightning hands. If that doesn't work, then. Oh my god! Now that's good, Sev. That's good. Try and hit them. Yeah, I can kind of see why I missed that. Move, I dare you. Oh no no no. Hunter. I was just marked. Oh yeah, and they get shot. But you missed.
We'll annihilate them.
Noob. Oh no. Sav, try and take him down. Nice job, boy.
Target eliminated.
Now we're gonna target this noob over here.
Move into position.
Go into Overwatch in case to try and make a move.
Affirmative. Moving
See,
on.
can he go down here and something? Because I'm pretty sure there is no one here currently. Wait, why is he over there again? Alright, can you slash him? No, you've used up all your slashes. That's bad. Try and hit him. Oh my god, that actually hit him.
Ammunition
I
spent,
love
sir.
these new guns. Cree, are you good over it? Oh, I know you're out of actions. I forgot.
It's not too far.
Move up here. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, don't remind me that headshot's captured. Oh, I saw that poster. Oh, Cree. Try and resist it. Can you resist it? I doubt you. I don't think you can. I think that's an ability that's irresistible. You can't resist it, and yeah. Besides, they can't really hit him, can they? Hunter, do you have a shot? Not quite.
To go. On it, squad leader.
Yeah, you do have a shot, Outrider. Try and hit him. Okay, that's good damage. Please don't remind me that he's captured, please. Oh my god. That poster just says captured, yeah. I'm aware that the assassin captured my boy, and I hate her for it.
Let's do it.
Because Headshot is such a good soldier. I have a feeling we will get him back at some point. Ah, Cree, you're out of stasis. Do you maybe wanna, you know, take... Oh god. Outrider, you've got strong will, you're probably gonna resist it. Oh my god. doesn't even matter because I can just knock her right out of it. Kree, take your revenge on that noob. Did you just miss that?
What a waste.
No, I'm not gonna hit her. Free her.
What was that?
Good. Dragon Nova's out of the control now. That's good.
Got it.
Feels like all hope was kind of. At one point, it felt like all hope is lost, but it doesn't anymore. It feels like we could actually maybe win this, because hopefully, if this thing just, I think this thing might just kind of take off a thing on the Avatar project, maybe. Flawless mission. Oh my god, I love these new guns.
Again, the unwarranted attacks of the so-called resistance organizations that
We are a resistance organization, though, Speaker.
really damaged critical advent.
Yeah, no one's even hurt. We can use these guys on another mission. Well, one or two of them might be tired, but doesn't matter. Promotions. Where are my promotions? Good. Lieutenant, then.
Finger on the trigger.
Field medic. You're a lieutenant now, my guy. And so is Kree. Heavy ordnance, love it.
You have done an outstanding job leading the resistance, Commander.
What's this? Eleanor and Hunter? No, I don't really want to take a picture of it. My computer will explode. Did that No, it didn't. So where were we making contact with again? Oh yeah, West Africa, I forgot that.
Sector 11, West Africa.
To see who can we make contact with that.
Proving grounds are ready, Commander. We can build the skull jacket
Gorgeous.
whenever you give the word.
Your interference in my plans may slow, but can never stop.
Yeah. You can't touch us anymore. Could form a soldier bond. Who do we want to bond? I think we could bond the sniper boys.
Covert is our specialty. Let's just hope your people can keep up.
Okay, this looks good. This looks very, very good. Is this what we need to do right now? No, none of these, Vincent. Just do that. Hi, good. Good job. We need to make contact with West Africa because we're gonna need it if we wanna, you know, attack a facility and.
That worked.
Oh, that was quick. Sign another one. Resistance order. Yeah, I actually like the sound of that one. Let's just send this random dude. And yeah, just send Legio.
We will begin the covert action immediately, Commander.
Because covert actions are kind of a good way to, you know, get the not so good soldiers leveled up and stuff, so. Sorry, not now. Not right now. I'm sorry. We have stuff to do though.
It is just as I had hoped, Commander.
I don't care. Oh god. Please don't tell me the Avatar project is gonna. Please just give it a 1.
Commander, the aliens continue to make progress on the Avatar project.
Oh god.
If we're going to slow them down, we'll need to move fast.
Regional contacts located.
We're short with intel. I'm just gonna. Seems like a good place to end the video then. So yeah, that will be it for this video, guys. Remember to like, subscribe. Wait, what's that?
Please consider providing us with a directive as soon as possible. Knowing that my
Okay, yeah, I don't want to see you cut that thing open.
I have yet
Battle
to
scanner,
see
love it.
what, if any, advantage
So
that
yeah,
upgrades
that will be
enormous eyes
it.
provide. Testing their visual acuity will no doubt prove difficult.
So yeah, that will be it for this video, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all next one.